Hello. So there is a remaining part, remaining program of the first exception part. So I was saying there is a two methods to catch the exception. First is the individually you can define individually arithmetic exception, array index out of bounds exception. Okay, or you can use a simple method. You can apply only single catch and use a superclass of exception. The name is also exception. Ex. Okay. Now system dot out dot print and write here anything. Now run this program. Okay, fine. And if I comment this line and initialize b with 0, then okay, now it's showing this exception message. So it actually I want to clear the case of exception. Exception is a super class. I mean to say all class derived from the exception. It's a reference type and it contains the reference of all types of exception. So when you get the exception, any type of exception, then it refer the message, then it ping that exception. Okay, which type of exception occurred, like arithmetic, like for array out of index, null exception, null and slice something. So it can inslice, it can pass any message and it can handle all the types of exception, but it's a non-generic concept. It will take time more than individual exception, but it depend on you which type of exception you want to use. Okay, so now here is another option, another module, another not module, the another option is a finally block. Finally actually is, it is the optional. You can apply or you cannot apply, it's depend on you. Okay, it will run definitely. Just suppose there is a message system out of print c, and here is also message system out of print ex. This message will display when your program is right and there is no exception. Okay, and this error this exception message when you find any exception in your program, that in case it will display. Okay, but finally block message will display in both condition, exception find or exception not find. Okay, just suppose system dot out dot print and I write here all is well, all is well. Okay, all is well. Save and run. Okay, you can check here, this is the exception message and this is the normal finally message. I just change the value of b. Now what will happen, run this program. Now you can check, this is the message in the try block and all is well is the finally block. Okay, so it's a simple program. You just try to write this program and do any new something new. Okay, okay, thank you. And yeah, please follow this. Bye.